Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alicia. If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe down below. It's my day off today and I'm about to go get a lash lift and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So this is what I look like without any eyelashes. I look very different. My eyelashes literally make my look, but I wanted to try this lash lift because when I'm not wearing eyelashes, with my monolids, my lashes literally get like tucked right under my lid and it just looks like I have like no lashes at all. Like my eyelids look bald essentially, so I wanted to do the lash lift to see how it goes and I'll show the whole process and everything like that. But yeah, so my appointment's at 1:30. It's like 1:10 right now. I'm not too far away, so that's good. I just need a girl who won't really understand. Ugh, bad park job. Let's try that again. Process is going to be 18 minutes just to get the lashes nice and lifted. After that we put the setting solution, which is 15 minutes, and then after that the tint is 5 minutes, so it's really fast just because the tint is kind of like a dye, right? So we don't want to damage your lashes at all. And then once that's done we dry them and then that's it. I was wondering if I can get like extra curl because I have monolids. Yeah. So like I don't know how it's gonna, because I don't. So I have monolids too, and then a lot of my Asian clients, they also have monolids as well. You don't have monolids? Yeah, mine is like, it's over. It's kind of hard to tell. It's weird. It like flaps over kind of. Like legit has no fold. That's why I'm like, it actually is better that way because the lashes will just lift like directly up. Okay, cool. But there should be no problem. I mean, a lot of Asian girls also, the thing with them is that they're like, oh, but my lashes go straight down. Like, is the perm gonna work? Because is it gonna just fall back down? It actually works the best because it like had no really shape before, so you see that full dramatic effect right after too. Oh, I'm excited. Yeah. Awesome. The glue is actually water-based, so if it bothers you at all, we can literally just wipe it right off. I can see my lashes now. Because before, like, you couldn't see them at all. So the lash artist also gave me a little spoolie so I can brush my lashes out. She said throughout the day they'll continue to kind of fluff as they dry. They're not as dramatic as they would be if I, you know, had eyelids. See? If I had eyelids, you can see them much better. But because my lids are kind of heavy, this is what they look like. I can actually see my lashes when my eyes are open. So that is a really, really nice bonus for me. Yeah, I am going to head home and do some work and I'll catch you guys later.